Hi, this is Brent with Hydrographics.com. Back with another pattern review of the week. If I can make this work today. Alright. This is Black Skulls. It is 1 meter wide. It is a black and transparent print. We've been working many months to try and get this printed in black. We already carried this print in white and blue, but we had some customers that wanted to put black over red. So we got this done. We're not dipping to red today, but we're going to dip to the normal white so you can see what base coat colors you can play with behind the black. Same as the rest of the film, 60-second soak, 90-degree water, about 18 pounds at the gun, and a 60-second soak. This one will run away from me. Alright, that is Black Skulls on white base coat. You can purchase this at KansasHydrographics.com. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next time.